Good morning, warriors.
Very good morning.
To begin with, I would like to express my gratitude to Ranveer and all of you for giving me a golden opportunity to speak about India's foreign policy. Today, I would like to speak on India's foreign policy, which reflects our nation's values, independence, and global responsibility. Since independence, leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru established a principle of non-alignment, ensuring that India will not become a part of any power bloc. The powerful expression of this principle was given by Indira Gandhi during her visit to the United Nations. She clearly said that India is not aligned with any global power bloc. Our nation's policies are guided by our national interests and commitment to global peace and justice. This expression clearly, perfectly captures the India's foreign policy, independence in decision making and commitment to global peace. Nowadays, India continues the tradition of this principle by maintaining the balanced relation with major power blocs such like United States, Russia and France, while also engaging with the countries like Iran and Israel based on its national interests. India's policy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family, it shows our global responsibility and India stand on diplomacy. In the conclusion, India's foreign policy completely stands on strategic autonomy, peace and national interests, while also ensuring that India will be the diplomatic and global voice in the global affairs. Thank you so much for listening to this.